We just got a new furnace and we are so excited. We ordered the furnace from PMC Supplies, a jewelry supply company based out of New York City. This is the version called Tabletop, which is the daughter company for PMC. Everything that you order from PMC Supplies, the Tabletop furnace, is custom built there. So this one took about 2 weeks to get there. One reason why it took a little bit longer than it was supposed to do is because they were missing a part, or they were not missing, they were out. So it took a little longer to build at PMC Supplies. This version is the programmable version, and it is the XT, 8 inches tall, which means it could fit a flask about 7 inches into the furnace, which will leave about 1 inch as tall. We are super excited, and let's see what's inside of this box. All right, let's see what's inside of this box here. Got my trusty scissors. Let's open up here. So here, open up here. So the first thing I see is the receipt in here. Put that over here, and then it comes here. It says stop. It's basically read this instructions before operation, which we do have to do a burnout first before we actually use it, and I will do that. So I am going to read this before I use it. Very handy. Let's see here, anything that catches my eyes in here. Nope, great. And also comes here, just take a note, a QR code. Before using the new kiln, you must fire complete initial break-in, which we are going to do. And this is a QR code to a YouTube tutorial, which I have seen is very helpful. I will post that below in the description below for this here. So thank you. Put that over here. What's up here? First thing we open it up. It has a little tray, comes with it. Yeah, it was just laying on top of here. I'm surprised it didn't shift around. Put it in here. Oh, here it is. Lift it out. Let's see what's in the bottom here. Always check the paper here so it's in there. Nope. Here's the furnace. Looks like they put a little styrofoam on top here. And it's very well packaged. Yeah, I'm kind of touching there, feeling like that. It seems like nothing has popped the bubble wrap. So let's get the paper here. Open up. Make sure you don't scratch when you cut it. Decide from here. Put in the trash can over here. Not trying, I mixed the trash can. Here. Open up here. Wrap around. You can always use bubble wrap, right? And there's the furnace. Okay, check it before you get it. Check it here. Yeah, that looks really good. Open it up here. see what's inside. Open it up. Yeah. Close. Just kind of checking here, because you never know, these hinges could be loose. I mean, it's not too heavy. Doing that here, just a little loose here. So let's see. Let's get a flask to see what's like. It looks like kind of different flask here. Let's try the big one first. Nope, it doesn't fit. This one fits. No, it doesn't fit either. Huh. Oh, is that styrofoam? No, it's not styrofoam. This one fits. So these two don't fit. All right, so let's see here. What about this one? Yeah, this one fits. Take it off here. Yeah, so this one fits. So these two, which I got here, don't fit. Part needs a bigger furnace. We are going to get a bigger furnace in here. So I think this is the 5 inches. I think this 5. So, and this one doesn't fit either, right? Yeah, this one doesn't fit. Yeah, so you definitely have to get a taller version of this one in here. Fits. So, all right, but this one, smaller one, should fit in here easy. Yeah, that one fits easy in there. Yeah, so the one that comes with the kayak cast fits into this furnace here. So, so I'm thinking, no, yeah. So what we need to do is get a bigger furnace that will fit the bigger versus the flask here. But this is just a starting out furnace, which is great doing that. I didn't measure these flasks, but we are getting a bigger furnace for the studio. So, yep. So this is the tabletop furnace doing that, and thank you for watching. So see you guys next time.